Preeti Pal clinched a bronze medal in the women's 100-meter T35 event at the Paris Paralympics 2024, finishing with a time of 14.21 seconds. Let me bring in my colleague Rakshita as she gets us more details. Rakshita, walk us through the details that you're picking up.
Preeti Pal, she has become the first ever Paralympian to, clinch a medal in a track event for India, and it's the third medal in this in the same day. Earlier it was Avni Lekhara and Mona Raj also getting us a bronze, gold, bronze, and another bronze that is in the track and field event. India, of course, won 19 medals at the Tokyo Paralympics, and this time India is eyeing at least 25 medals, Shravan. And talking about Preeti Pal, she's 24 years old, and this year she had in fact clinched the bronze medal in the World Para Athletic Championships in May 2024. She has cerebral palsy and she could not get the proper treatment, but she continued, despite all the struggles, she continued to strive for her passion. She is, of course, the first Paralympian in the track and field, even as I said. So it's, of course, good news for India, and it's a record timing. The timing, as you mentioned, 14.21 seconds is, of course, the best of her career as well. And this is a record, performance by her. It's historic, and we are, of course, waiting for more more such events. There is another shooting final that is lined up for today, and we hope that in shooting we can clinch another medal. And of course, this is going to go on for some more days, and India eyes to cross the 20 medal tally, that they should be getting at least 25 medals. This is the largest ever contingent. At least 84 athletes have been sent by India this time. The contingent is the biggest ever, and the staff too. The support staff is also the biggest ever. So India hopes for more good news from Paris.
Well, there's absolutely no doubt about the fact that it's been a stunning run for India as far as start of Paralympics is concerned. In terms of the numbers that you were really talking about, there has been a substantial jump than what we saw in the last Paralympics. One of the primary reasons that was cited, Rakshita, was we've seen the kind of track events that have taken place and the measures that have been taken so far in order to bring in the kind of talent that we're really looking at right now.
Absolutely, of course. India's performance itself back in 2021, when the Tokyo Paralympics were held, was historic in its own right. It was 19 medals for India. And now, of course, India will be eyeing more golds. And, of course, shooting, you have badminton hopes and many other events, especially the fact that, India had performed very well in the Tokyo, in the Paris Games, where India clinched 6 medals. They could not match up with the highest ever tally, that is 7 medals. There is a lot of hope this time from Paralympics. India is always performing in the top-notch level when it comes to the Paralympics, and as I mentioned, that it is the biggest ever contingent this time, the biggest support staff that has been sent by India. And the standard performance was Avni Lekhara. She has shown consistency. We've seen that she was the defending champion back in Tokyo. She clinched the gold medal, and once again she has clinched gold. She has struck gold, becoming the first woman Paralympian to in fact clinch back-to-back gold medals. And we expect the same from other events, be it javelin, be it badminton, table tennis, and many others.
Well, thank you very much, Rakshita, for getting us the latest details.